been very bullish, and I think that as we're coming off of September lows, I think the equity markets can make new highs as we slide into the holidays.
All right, that was market guy Gregg Smith on this program exactly a month ago, and he's back with us right now. Okay, Greg, you were right. But right now, everybody is bullish. Everybody says that stock prices are going up in December and next year. Nobody is telling me to sell. Where do you think prices are going, December and next year?
Hey, happy Friday the 13th, Stuart. So, it was a month ago today that I shared with you. I thought the equity markets would make new highs, not to fear the election, and we'd see new highs as we slid into year end. I continue to think there'll be a Santa Claus rally here. And I want to say, I think we saw two distinct holidays this week, right? We all woke up Monday morning to the Pfizer vaccine news, and it almost felt like Victory in Europe Day, right? Something you or I didn't witness. I know it was a few years before you were born, but people were celebrating and dancing in the streets. The market traded higher, but VE Day very quickly turned into a Black Friday special for all things tech and certainly the stay-at-home trade. We saw a vicious rotation out of all things tech, and pretty quickly all those names went on sale. I started buying those names. I think there were bargains. I think the sell-off in things tech is overdone, and I think we continue to resume that march higher.
So we're going up from here. Big tech, across the board,
I like
we're
big
going
tech.
up.
I do. I did lighten up on some other names, some other travel names. I did lighten up on this week into the rally, but I think tech goes higher. And look, I'll tell you why. I consider myself an observational investor. Look at Netflix. Just because a vaccine comes or COVID goes away, are we going to stop sending Reed Hastings at Netflix is $15 a month and stop watching The Queen's Gambit? I don't think so. I think Netflix off a high of $5.75 down to here. I think there were some pretty decent bargains to be had.
Okay, tell me fast about Snap. You were on the show back, I think it was October the 7th, I think it was. Yeah, October the 7th. Snap was back at about $26 then. You've got a target price on Snap of 67. Why do you like it so much?
Look, I shared Snapchat with you, as you said, on October 7th. I think I got off the show, and many of my friends, and I'm sure my teenage kids, thought I was out of my mind. This was a company that was left for dead 2 years ago. We saw the stock trading under 5. I think Evan and his team have done a great job of right-sizing the ship, getting this to being a real player, and I think they've really earned themselves a seat at the big boy table. I think they're an established social media company, and I think we can see it trade to 67 over the next 18 months. It's another arrow in the quiver of that social media quiver, right alongside TikTok and Instagram. So I think it's
13th of November, Gregg Smith says it's going to 67 within 18 months. You'll be back to justify that later. Greg, thanks for joining us. The bell is ringing.